What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and continue working on the Jeep. As you've seen in the last clip, I was preparing the doors to get ready for installation. But before I could continue installing them, I ran into a little issue, but I'll have to fix that before I put the doors back on. All right, so unfortunately, I had to go ahead and cut up this pretty fiberglass. It wasn't matching up to the right side of the vehicle, so I had to go and cut this and get to match up so all the distances are correct. So what I did is went ahead and cut a line all the way across and a little bit underneath where this is supposed to be sitting. But right now I got this all braced up, all the dimensions, all the spaces are correct, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and grind down the outside and go ahead and fill this in with fiberglass. Alright, so here we are. I already went ahead and grind down those little inner pieces. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut some strips of fiberglass, wet them down on a flat piece of cardboard, and then just place them in. Alright, doors are back on. As you can see, the offset here. What I'm going to do is have to go fix this door nail. It has a little, supposed to meet up at this point. This is where it's supposed to sit. So when I go and cut this and do the same as I did on this door panel, bring it out flush, and everything will be equal. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start getting on this side skirt here. I had a little redesign of how I'm going to do it. So most of this foam that's on here is going to be getting cut off. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut it right here where I made those marks. And all this is going to be empty space. I'm coming there with a foam or the core board. And I'm going to put a shape in there. And let's see how it turns out.